If you are interested in cryptocurrency, you've probably wondered, where can you check accurate crypto prices, market data, and trending coins? One of the most popular platforms for this is CoinGecko. In this video, I'll show you how to use CoinGecko step by step, even if you are a complete beginner. By the end of this video, you'll know how to analyze cryptocurrencies, track prices, and find new crypto opportunities. CoinGecko is one of the largest cryptocurrency data platforms in the world. It was founded in 2014 and provides detailed information about thousands of cryptocurrencies. Instead of letting you trade crypto, CoinGecko focuses on data and analytics. On this platform, you can see cryptocurrency prices, market capitalization, trading volume, price charts, exchange information. This makes CoinGecko an essential tool for investors, traders, and researchers in the crypto market. When you open the CoinGecko website, the first thing you see is the cryptocurrency ranking table. Here you'll find the top cryptocurrencies ranked by market capitalization. The table includes several important metrics. Price. This shows the current price of the cryptocurrency. Market cap. This represents the total value of all coins currently in circulation. 24-hour trading volume. This shows how much of the cryptocurrency was traded in the last 24 hours. Price change. This tells you whether the price has gone up or down recently. This overview helps investors quickly understand what is happening in the crypto market. Let's take an example. Suppose you click on Bitcoin. On the coin page, you'll see several useful sections. First, the price chart. This chart shows how the price has changed over time. You can adjust the time frame to see price movements over 24 hours, 7 days, 30 days, 1 year. This helps investors analyze trends and market behavior. Below the chart, you'll also find additional information such as market cap, circulating supply, total supply, all-time high price. These metrics help investors evaluate the size and maturity of a cryptocurrency. Another useful feature on CoinGecko is the trending coins section. This section shows cryptocurrencies that are currently attracting the most attention from users. Trending coins may gain popularity due to news, technological developments, community interest. However, it's important to remember that trending coins are not always good investments. They simply indicate what people are currently researching. CoinGecko also organizes cryptocurrencies into different categories. For example, DeFi NFTs, Layer 1 blockchains, AI-related crypto projects. This allows users to explore specific sectors of the crypto industry. For example, if you are interested in decentralized finance, you can analyze only DeFi tokens. This makes research much easier and more structured. CoinGecko also offers a portfolio tracking feature. With this tool, you can manually enter the cryptocurrencies you own and track their performance. The platform will then calculate your total portfolio value, profit, and loss asset allocation. This helps investors monitor their investments in one place. While CoinGecko is a powerful tool, it's important to remember that data alone does not guarantee profitable investments. Always combine data with research and risk management. Cryptocurrency markets can be highly volatile. Platforms like CoinGecko simply provide the information you need to make better decisions. Now you know how to use CoinGecko to track prices, analyze cryptocurrencies, and explore the crypto market. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more videos about cryptocurrency, investing, and financial education. And let me know in the comments, which cryptocurrency are you currently watching?